Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this hex key in SolidWorks, and here I have the SolidWorks open. The version of my SolidWorks is 2016. It doesn't matter which version you have, but I use the 2016 version of SolidWorks. So firstly we have to make a new part. For making a new part in SolidWorks, just come to the file and here click on new, and here click on part and OK. Now here we have a new part. In SolidWorks we have three standard plane: front plane, top plane and right plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose. So here click on the front plane and click on a sketch to make a new sketch. So firstly I have to draw a polygon. So here I measure the dimension of the polygon. The dimension of the polygon is about 9.95. It's about 10 millimeter. So here click on. So here we have the sketch open. Here choose polygon and draw a polygon at the origin point. So here you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. As I told you before, it means that if you click on this orange point, the center of the polygon will be connected to the origin point. So here draw a polygon and right click and select to exit the polygon. So here the dimension was, I think, it's about 9.90 millimeter. Yes, it's 9.90 millimeter. Here choose a smart dimension, and the dimension from this line to the line here is 9.9 millimeter. So the sketch is not still fully defined because the sketch is still blue and you can see it is still moving. So here we have to apply a relation. Here click on this line and in add relation click on horizontal relation. So here the line will be horizontal and here you can see the green symbol. The sketch is fully defined. So here exit the sketch. I'm going to use this sweep boss and base. So here we have to draw another sketch at the right plane. So here click on the right plane and click on sketch and hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard, or you can simply choose this view. So here choose line, and here we are going to draw the sketch of this part of the component. So here choose line, and the line must be connected to the polygon. So here draw a horizontal line, and here choose 3-point arc. So here you can see we have an arc on this model. So here draw an arc, and the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. And here you can see here we have to draw a vertical line. So we are drawing a sketch of this side of the model. So here choose line and draw a vertical line. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on this on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied to my line. So here I click on the screen and right click and select to exit the line. Here hold the Ctrl button on your keyboard and choose this point and the polygon, and here in relation choose pierce. So the line will be connected to the polygon, and this arc must be tangent to these two lines. So here hold the Ctrl button and choose the arc here and the line here and give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here, tangent relation. So here the sketch is not still fully defined. You can see we haven't applied the dimensions yet. So here to the smart dimension, the dimension of this line is let me measure the dimension. The dimension is it's about 30. It's about 32 millimeter. Yes, it's about 32 millimeter. Yes, it's about 32 millimeter. So here's this line, and Again, choose a smart dimension and give this line dimension of 32 millimeter. And let me move the sketch a little bit. So here the dimension of this line is it's about 150 millimeters. So here choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this line is 150 millimeter. So the sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. So here the dimension of this line is it's about 45 millimeter. Yes, the dimension from this point to this point is 45 millimeters. So you can see the sketch is black, and here our sketch is fully defined. Now all you have to do is just to use the sweep bus and base. So here exit the sketch. Here in feature tab, if you don't have the feature tab, you can simply right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. So here in feature tab, click on sweep bus and base, and here let me remove this here, choose this sketch here, and in the second parameter choose this sketch. So you can see here this is the real use of the sweep bus and base, and it is really helpful and useful. So here I choose a sketch profile, and here choose the first sketch here and the second sketch. A really important point is that the second sketch here must be connected to your first sketch, so your first profile. And here we have some other options. I will tell you what's the use of these options in the other videos. So in this video, I wanted just to familiarize you to this feature. So here, click on OK to apply this sweep bus and base. So here we have our hex key, and here we can see here we have a kind of a scribe on this range. So here we can use the wrap tool. Here click on this surface and click on a sketch and hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard to get this view. So here choose line and connect this line here to hold the Ctrl button and choose this point and this line, and here choose coincident, and here choose this line and give it vertical relation. Now we have to make this line center line, make this line to a center line. So here click on this line, and here in option turn on the for construction. So here the line is constructed. Now we have to write some letters here. So here choose this line, and here you can see here is CR underline V 10 millimeter. I don't know you can see it or not. Yes, CRV 10 millimeter, and here write C capital CR underline V 10 millimeter. So here we have, here it must be at the middle of the model. So here click on center line, and here we can change the size of the text. So here it's perfect, the size is okay, and here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this center line to this line is 1.5 millimeter. So now I'm going to use the wrap. Here come to the feature tab, and here choose click on wrap, and here must be on scribe, and here choose this surface and click on OK. And yes, so here we have the model, and now we can apply a material. So here come to the appearances, scenes, and decals, and here in appearances we can change the color, for example, to metal, steel, and here we can apply a polished steel. So double click, and here the material is applied, and here we have the model. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel.